Hello, future ukulele stars. Welcome to our exciting 8-module ukulele course. My name is Miss Kira and I'm so happy to be your teacher. I'm part of the early years faculty at the VSO School of Music and I love helping young students like you learn to play instruments. Before we dive in, let me tell you a little about the Vancouver Symphony Orchestra. The VSO is one of Canada's most renowned orchestras, bringing beautiful music to our community. At the VSO School of Music, we believe in the power of music to inspire and educate, and I'm thrilled to be a part of this wonderful team. Now, let's talk about what you'll be learning in our ukulele course. Over the next 8 modules, we'll learn the parts of the ukulele so you'll know your instrument inside and out. We'll learn some important chords, like the C chord, C7 chord, F chord, and G7 chord. And these chords will help you play many fun songs. And we'll also dive into the 1-4-5 progression, which is a great way to play lots of different tunes. You'll be amazed at how many songs you can play with just a few chords. Tuning your ukulele is super important, and I'll show you how to make sure your ukulele sounds just right before you start playing. And of course, we'll learn about proper posture, so sitting up straight and holding your ukulele correctly, which will help you play better and feel more comfortable. I'm so excited to start this musical journey with you. Remember, practice makes perfect, and we'll have lots of fun along the way. Let's get ready to strum, sing, and make beautiful music together. Thank you for joining our ukulele course. I can't wait to see you in our first lesson. Let's make some music.